Hello, my beautiful nail lovers. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. You're highly welcome to my channel once again. Guys, as always, know this channel is going to cover when it comes to gorgeous nails ideas and trending hairstyles, of course. So if you want to stay updated, like you want to stay stylish, why not wait to join us today? That's if you're just coming across for the first time, just join us today and subscribe. Okay, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you don't get to miss our videos immediately we upload in the channel. You can't afford to miss the design that will bring to this channel. Like, we'll bring mouth-watering designs, stunning nails ideas to keep you elevated anytime, any day. We got you covered. And to my returning viewers, guys, I'm saying a very big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, with nothing for granted. Thank you so much and God bless you. Please keep watching our videos and trust me, okay, bringing gorgeous nails ideas to you. Guys, today's video is exceptional. You can tell already. These are very gorgeous square nail shape ideas for my ladies. Fascinating short nail art designs for you, my queens. So watch to the very end. For all the slides are mind-blowing, like they are so beautiful, and trust me, you can rock it to any occasion. Okay, you can rock it to any event and be looking all good and beautiful. So guys, just watch, select your favorite slide, share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video. You don't want them to miss this goodness. So if this doesn't fit your nail, maybe you're looking for other shapes or other nails ideas, why not go into our channel? We have varieties. You know, we bring more stylish and trending nails ideas. So just go check our videos out and trust me, you will love them all. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and please do give the video a thumbs up, okay? Give our video a thumbs up. That's a way of encouraging us to even bring more designs to this channel. Thank you so much as you watch our videos. Also, we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye.